जो प्लान करे परिवार।
भाई तो मान ही नहीं रही हो।
कहा ना।
Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates integrated terminal building of Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair. Completion of Mairang Rani Godown Road will open up a huge opportunity, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Khasi Author Society will follow up on the resolution urging the centre to include Khasi in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. And government launches sale of subsidized chana dal under brand name Bharat Dal at ₹60 per kg to provide pulses at affordable rates to consumers. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today inaugurated the integrated terminal building of Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair, through video conferencing. Addressing the event, the Prime Minister said that the new terminal building, built at the cost of around 710 crore rupees, will improve the ease of business and enhance the connectivity in the region. He said the long-standing demand of the people of Port Blair has now been fulfilled. Modi said with this integrated terminal, the airport will be able to handle 11,000 tourists every day. He said the number of tourists in these islands have doubled due to development activities undertaken by the government there.
बीते 9 वर्षों में हमने पूरी संवेदनशीलता के साथ पहले की सरकारों की उन गलतियों को सुधारा है। इतना ही नहीं, नई व्यवस्थाएं भी बनाई हैं।
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said the completion of Mairang Rani Godown Road in East and West Khasi Hills district will open up a huge opportunity for commercial trade to take place for tourism and also development industries like food processing. He also said since this road leads to airport and towards Guwahati city, the areas will see much more development in the future. Sangma also said that road connectivity is a precursor to any kind of development to come.
Now that it's complete, in fact, this road will open up a huge opportunity for commercial trade to take place, for different opportunities of tourism to come in, and definitely in other areas of food processing and other industries to develop. And since this road leads into the airport section and towards Guwahati city, and hence the land and the areas closer to the Guwahati sector and the airport sector will also see much more development in the future, because we'll be able to develop the concept of satellite cities, where we'll be able to create zones, and the proximity to Guwahati city will give an advantage to it. So this road construction will have multiple benefits.
The Khasi Authors Society KAS has said that the literary body will take upon itself to follow on to the resolution of the Meghalaya Assembly urging the centre to include Khasi in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. KAS President Dr. L. Nonglat said, "We have been only talking about it and just listening to the state government. We are not satisfied anymore. We are preparing to go to Delhi in August or September to find out for ourselves if there are any records with the Ministry of Memorandums." He said that the literary body of the Khasis has aggressively follow up on the issue of inclusion of the language in the 8th schedule since the last government did not seriously take up the issue.
Tiengi habban budin tenge namar ba ngi ba kumhakanika baladap ti kikram da simkia do kata-kata bat lada kedai ba simkia menta ya kata ro ngi sultanat ngin ai ke jing trelang jing dawa chongi bat lada kilet kamat ba kedai bandan de bat ka jing ho ka jing ta kidai ban yo ya ke jubab nang thi om ka basia kren kten henrei naka department siaga department kidai bandan ki sakhi sabut ba ka kam kalayat sakmat lani ka dan ka jingpan kre.
The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Snya Bhalangdhar, graced the biggest bearding club festival of Senrat Tuber as the chief guest on Monday. He was accompanied by Cabinet Minister Kerman Shila as well as MDC members from JHADC and former MLAs, just than the current other dignitaries. The festival concluded at Tuber Kamai Shnong village. The festival showcased a vibrant display of rongs or rots at Biar Kablai, the sacred pool. The president of Senrat Tuber submitted a memorandum to the chief guest. The final ritual of the day was the Yatan Bhang, a tug-of-war event between two hooked trees representing the Phang Nen North and the Phangwa South. And awareness program on water resources data acquisition system and hydro informatics application under National Hydrology Project was held in Nongstoin West, Khasi Hills on Tuesday. The program was organized by the Office of the Executive Engineer Water Resources Nongstoin Division. The program was attended by officials from Agriculture Department, Social Forestry, DC Office, DCIS Industries, Urban Affairs, Planning, Horticulture, DRDA and the PHE department, as well as headmen from different villages in the district. The chief guest of the program was H.K. Thaba, additional DC West Khasi Hills. Thaba highlighted the importance of water resource management in the face of rising water scarcity. He also called upon all stakeholders to work together to protect and preserve our water resources. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Piyush Goyal has launched the sale of subsidized chana dal under the brand name Bharat Dal at the rate of 60 rupees per kilogram for 1 kilogram pack and 55 rupees per kilogram for 30 kilogram pack. The introduction of Bharat Dal is a major step taken by the central government towards making pulses available to consumers at affordable prices. The milling and packaging of the chana dal has been undertaken by National Agricultural Cooperative Marketing Federation, NAFED, for distribution through its retail outlets in Delhi, NCR and also through the outlets of Kendraya, Bhandar and Safal.
चना एक बहुत ही पौष्टिक आहार है, वेरी हाई इन न्यूट्रिएंट्स, और मेरा मानना है कि ये एक पारंपरिक भोजन भी है, ट्रेडिशनल फूड, और साथ ही साथ जो वैरायटी ऑफ रेसिपीज चना से बनती है, इसको अगर हम सब ने अपने दैनिक भोजन का हिस्सा बना लिया, इसका इस्तेमाल बढ़ाया जाए अपने अपने घरों में, तो बच्चों के लिए भी, बुजुर्गों के लिए भी, सभी के लिए एक पौष्टिक स्वादिष्ट भोजन की तरह इसका प्रभाव बढ़ सकता है.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 27.8 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 18 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 60% and in the evening 51%. Forecast moderate rain is very likely to occur at many places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurates integrated terminal building of Veer Savarkar International Airport, Port Blair. Completion of Mairang Rani Godown Road will open up a huge opportunity, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Khasi Author Society will follow up on the resolution urging the centre to include Khasi in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. And government launches sale of subsidized chana dal under brand name Bharat Dal at rupees 60 per kg to provide pulses at affordable rates to consumers. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.